vlog. Welcome if you're new. My name is Vivian and this is another vlog. I am heading to Magic Kingdom now to meet up with my best friend that I have not seen in years, and he's there right now, so I'm trying to figure out what I want to wear. I have the outfit down. I'm kind of going for a fall, like October outfit, but I just noticed I don't have a lot of Disney merch that's Halloween themed, so this is what I have to do. The only shirt I have is the Not So Scary Halloween shirt from like 2022 when I went with all my friends. So this is what we're working with right now. I bought this shirt when it first came out and then I had never worn it, so I had thought about putting it together with this skirt, and then I'm not sure about the boots. I could either go for these boots or my Sambas. Honestly, the weather is pretty cool. It's like low 80s and it's raining on and off today, so the boots will kind of work with the rain. I don't know. They're leather. You can wet leather, right? Or my Sambas. Part of me is thinking Sambas, but I just texted my friends and see what they think. All right, I have one vote for, actually she didn't even help me. She said she's more of a sneaker girl, but she says the boots look more fashionable, so I don't know. I'm just waiting on my other friend's vote, but yeah, this is the look. Let me hold this chain because you probably can hear it. I'm just gonna wear an orange little bag that matches the ears. And then I need more keychains too. Like I want a little like Mickey Pumpkin keychain or something. I feel like I don't have much. I need to get better at my accessorizing, but it's been tough. Ooh, I have an idea. I have this Stony Clover heart zipper thing. And since my outfit is denim, I can add this to my little orange purse. All right, I'll see you guys once I figure out what I'm gonna do. So I ended up going with the boots. Both of my friends were against it, but they're not really into fashion like I am, so I hope I don't regret my decision though, because you know, they're boots and they're comfy because they're flat, but nothing's gonna be as comfy as like a pair of Sambas. But anyway, we're on our way. It's already raining, you know, Florida. I'm hoping that, you know, towards Magic Kingdom it's not raining. It's only drizzling, but still. So yeah, we're on our way, and let me stop recording and I will talk to you guys when I get there. I just got to the Magic Kingdom parking lot, and of course I have to pee so bad. So I'm going to hurry up and try to get on this tram so I can go to the bathroom, because there's a bathroom before the transportation. There's a bathroom at the center, right? Oh my God, I can't even speak. I have to pee so bad. All right, bye. It just started raining, pouring, as I made my way over here to the monorail and ferry. Oh, thank God. I am dying. Since I always take the monorail, I decided to take the tram today. Not the tram, oh my God. I have the tram in my brain because I was just saying on Instagram that I got wet getting off the tram. We're going on the ferry boat is what I'm trying to say, and here it comes. friend's not here. He decided to go to Epcot before coming here. So now we have to wait for him. It is about to pour, so I decided to get some lunch. And you know, I have to get mini corn dogs right by the castle. I'm still waiting on my friend to get here. I'm beginning to have the worst luck when coming to the parks, because this is the second time I come to Magic Kingdom, and it's like this. My hair is completely ruined. It's like, what's the point of taking pictures anymore? And I'm just waiting for my friend. If he's even coming, I don't even know.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid.
We're on
Proceed to
time.
gates.
That's Steven. So it hasn't stopped raining at all, and we've been on the line for Tron. It's Steven's first time, my second time, and I'm very excited. Even though I didn't get to get pictures, it's okay. Hopefully you can hear this.
Remember your unit number.
Yeah. Alright, we just got off of Tron. I don't know what we're doing now. But it stopped raining. It's probably gonna continue. I don't even know if you can hear me, but that was fun.
Hot chai.
The Incredibles! By the way, I got a pumpkin patch latte. Chippendale!
Sorry.
Hi!
Turn around, guys. Thank you.
Hi! How are you? Thank you! You're so cute! Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this is the second time I get Joffrey's, and I don't like it. It's okay, but... We're dancing in the rain! The sun illuminates the words that you cannot find. For something see me. It's time for Space Mountain. I haven't been on this ride in a year.
Oh, there it is. Well, we gotta spend $150 on a box of magic cards? No, I do it anyway.
Space Mountain. So that was definitely rougher than I remember it being, but it was fun. I love this park. It's so nostalgic to me. I remember when they used to have the actual like escalator type thing.
Are you making your content?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I am now recording on my phone because it's pouring. It has not stopped since we got here. Sorry, I just saw a child pick up a piece of corn. What? Pick up a piece of popcorn and I thought he ate it, but now I think we're just gonna head home because this is too much. It has not stopped. We are back in the car because unfortunately it rained all day. Like, no lie, from the moment I got out of the car, well, from the moment I got off the tram, it started raining. And it only stopped for like a minute. And yeah, now that I'm in the car at 7, it stopped. And look how nice it is now. But I got to see my friend and I haven't seen him in so long. It was nice seeing him and the family. I was able to buy one thing. I bought one thing. I only allowed myself to buy one thing. I didn't take pictures. That's what sucks. I really wanted to take... Sorry, I just saw this. My car is falling apart. Something else I have to replace. But anyways, I didn't take any pictures and I really liked my outfit. I'll post some pictures here that I took of my phone, like on my phone at home, just showing my friends what my outfit was. But I think I showed you guys too, which is upsetting because I feel like I have not been like consistent with my Instagram as I should be. So it sucks that I come here, like I don't come here a lot. I want to, but like I've said before, I need to find more friends that live here and that have annual passes so that I can come with them and we can take pictures of each other. So again, if you're watching this and you live in Orlando and you love coming to the parks and you love fashion, please hit me up so we can link up and, you know, I'll take a picture of you, you'll take a picture of me. Anyway, I bought one thing. I'll have to show you when I get home because I don't have my mount here. I'm pretty sure I didn't bring my mount. But yeah, I'll show you once I'm home. I'm home, I've showered, and I just thought I would let you know what I got. I got the Winnie the Pooh shirt that almost everyone has now, but it's cute. And honestly, my favorite part about it is Tigger on the back. If I can wear it backwards and not be weird and it not look weird, I would totally do it. So I might do it, but this is like the first piece. Well, that's a lie. I actually have a crop top that's at my mom's house that says Happy Halloween, and I wish I would have brought it with me since I was there like a couple of weeks ago. Actually, was that last weekend? I don't even remember. I think that was, no, that was the weekend before because they were here last weekend. Anyway, I needed some Halloween merch and I got it, and this is really cute. Now I can wear it with my, oh my god, my mind is not working right now. I could wear it with my Pooh Bear ears. So yes, I am happy with my purchase. Now I'm just going to make some dinner, watch some YouTube, and go play some Sims, because it's that type of night.